So it's kind of long been a dream of mine to have a place where I can actually put solar panels on my roof and really utilize this new technology, and not just for, you know, the good of humanity, but also for the good of my own conscience and for my bank account. New York State has the best incentives in the country to do this, so you're nowhere better off than in New York State to do it, you know? And Brooklyn SolarWorks has made it really easy to do, so it's been a pretty stellar experience across the board. The benefits that I'm experiencing, kind of wanting to pass those along, both on the selfish level because it makes me feel good, and then just knowing, you know, folks who are good friends who have bought places in Brooklyn and say, hey, you can put this kind of system on your roof, or if this doesn't work, Brooklyn SolarWorks is really good about saying we have this kind of system too, or this kind of system, and this crazy like umbrella system that you can turn into like a sheltered deck thing. I mean, it was really kind of, you know, the options were great, but they also weren't too overcomplicated so that as a novice I was overwhelmed by the possibilities. It's like having a shiny new car, but it's better. I don't have to worry about parking and fuel consumption. And it's my shiny technology.